Hello traders. Today we had two live trading sessions, and on the first session I hit two stop losses. Yes guys, two stop losses. But it doesn't matter because on the second session I placed the trade 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio and I got full take profit which cover all of my losses and I got profit in total. So guys, let's break it down. I will show you how I did it, which setups didn't work, and which one gave me nice profit of $5,295. Okay, we can see three trades today. The first one was on USD CAD. Let's have a look. That loss was $3,222. And we can see the trade was played, the pending order was placed in the volume area and liquidity zone. I was expecting the price to go up. But today, like you can see, it's crazy on the market. The US dollar index is dropping down all day, and all the other currency pairs, major currency pairs, also follow that move. And we can see US dollar and Canadian dollar, the order was placed right in this place. But unfortunately, the price went through this area and I hit stop loss of $3,200. That was the first trade. The other trade was gold, a smaller stop loss because that stop loss was $1,000. And we can see I've entered the trade right here and the price went up and I hit stop loss. Unfortunately, this happened. And the best thing is that the price went up to this high and then they dropped down and finished this setup. But my stop loss was too tight. As sometimes it happens, guys. We cannot predict everything. Okay. So that was the second trade. And the third one, let's have a look. This one was the best trade of today. Let's have a look. This trade, you can see the pending order was set before. And yes, this is before the trade was activated, guys. Before the trade was activated. So you can see order buy limit 1.75, lot size, tight stop loss, and take profit 1 to 5. I want to show you this on trading view, how this setup looks like. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this right now. This is the trade I've placed. You can see the price dropped down to this area. The trade was activated and we can see the price went straight up. I got full take profit and a little bit more because I've tried to get more of this trade. There was pretty good dynamic, nice price action. So I jump into 1 minute time frame and I was moving my stop loss higher and higher. So I got maybe $300 extra on this trade. Anyway, pretty good trades which cover all my losses and gave me profit. So today I finished with $1,000 of profit. Not too bad for Monday. Of course, it could be better, but guys, this Monday is better than the last one because last Monday I had loss of $2,000. But it doesn't matter, guys. We are looking in the long term. Every single week we finish with profit, so that matters. And today is good day. Tomorrow, hopefully, it's gonna be better day. But guys, I wasn't trading alone, and I want to show you some trades from also yesterday and today. You can see plan from Tomek. Tomek set range from price action cycle strategy, and he wanted to go back into the range. Unfortunately, he wasn't able to enter the trades. He couldn't find the best place to enter the position. And to be honest, very good because the price went higher. So probably he would hit stop loss. Another trade, this is New Zealand dollar, also from Tomek. Plan is to go back into the range, entry 1 to 1, 1 to 2, and full take profit at the bottom of trading range. Next one, that trade was mine, so you could see that. This is profit from yesterday's session, I think, Rafael session, yes. Ethereum yesterday, Rafa was trading live 4 p.m. on Sunday on crypto, and he had some profits also. This profit was on Ethereum. You can see nice setup, full take profit. I think the profit was pretty quick. Next one, this is XRP USD, also nice take profit on this asset. So crypto is working also very good. We're using our strategies, and we got 2 or 3 sessions during the week where you can trade crypto. And if you don't have time, it's good to come and see how we trade live on Sunday, because Rafael is showing you strategy and how he entered the position. So usually he's got take profits. I think this one, gold. Oh, this is my trades. So we've seen that. Mm, crude oil. The plan was to go down and to go up, but unfortunately, market did something else, so we couldn't use that plan. The next one, you could see that trade. We hit stop loss on this one. That was the plan. A pending order was set, and the price just went through this area, and I hit stop loss. Let's see what else we got here. Gold. We were looking for this trade. Basically, I've opened the trade when I hit stop loss, because we had nice target from all in ASAP strategy, and usually these targets are working pretty well. Most of them are settled the same day, but not today, guys. Not today. One of these days. What can we do? Another plan on crude oil to go down, reaction at volume level, but the price went up, so we couldn't use that plan on USD CHF, but we couldn't do nothing with this plan because the price went straight down. And also similar on Euro USD, we couldn't do nothing because the price went straight up. So we had few different plans today. We didn't have any news in microeconomic calendar, and you can see the price was moving quite fast today. Big price action, especially on US dollar index. We can have a look at US dollar index, guys. Look at US dollar index. This is 5 minutes time frame. The price is dropping down all day long. They are dropping down. I'm not sure where they are when they're gonna finish, but we got a gap right here. The price stopped at this moment, but maybe it's gonna be just a small pullback, and maybe we're gonna see continuation to close this gap. We will see. I'm finished for today for sure. Enough is enough. We got nice profit of $1,000 in total. 2 stop losses, 1 take profit, and we are in profit. That's a magic of risk to reward, guys. Risk to reward ratio. So if you want to see how we trade live, you can come and join us every single day on YouTube at 9 a.m. You can find us. So we're gonna trade tomorrow live, and the rest of the sessions you will find on our Discord channel. It's for our community. Some more sessions, crypto sessions, AI sessions, stock sessions, ETFs, many more. So everyone can find something for himself. So if you like to join us, find in the comment you should find the link. If you want to join our sessions every single day, you can do that. If you want to watch us on YouTube, you can do that also. Just don't forget to subscribe the channel and like, all, of course. So guys, thank you for today. Monday wasn't too bad. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna get much bigger profits. So guys, thank you for today. I will see you tomorrow. I wish you all the best. Take care.